All right, let's turn our attention to the weather, which is a changing once again.
Yes, it is. We went from cold to really, really hot for 2 days. It's going to start off really, really warm and then boom, rain, Trey.
Right, that's the way it goes around here, especially in the month of June. It's one of our more active months for severe weather and just rain in general. You're looking downtown this morning, no rain just yet, but look at all the smoke and haze on the horizon. That is that Canadian wildfire smoke, and it has been aloft in the atmosphere over the last couple of days, but now it has settled down to the ground. And one of the reasons why we're seeing a lot of that near the surface is there's just not a lot of wind out there. Most spots reporting calm winds right now. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s at 65 in Pittsburgh, 66 in Washington. And with that smoke working its way down to the surface, air quality has been impacted as well. Most of us seeing that code yellow to code orange, that code orange area just to the southeast of downtown Pittsburgh. So if you are sensitive to the smoke, if you have respiratory issues, do be on the lookout and stay indoors at least for the next several hours until we can mix some of this smoke on out. We expect the smoke to continue through the next several hours into the early to mid-afternoon hours, but notice after 3, 4, 5 p.m. we start to see that diminish, and that is because of showers and thunderstorms that will be moving in with a cold front. Ahead of the front, we're watching low-level moisture increase, and then this is the front back here to the west with showers already along it. As it gets a little bit closer and we see that instability increase this afternoon, that will set us up for a low-end potential for some severe storms, level 1 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center, which means isolated severe weather will be possible. So gusty winds and hail will be the primary storm threats as we head into the afternoon, and we'll start to see that development occur as early as 2 to 3 p.m. First in our northwest zones. If you're up in the Lawrence and Mercer counties, there's also a chance we could see some isolated development in the Laurel Highlands and the ridges as well. But then that coverage ramps up between 4 and 7 p.m. for all of our area. And then after we see that widespread coverage of storms, we'll transition back into showers between midnight to 6 a.m. But we're not done with the storm chances tomorrow because that front is still meandering in the area. Waves of showers and thunderstorms will continue a good part of the day into the afternoon and evening. So if you have Friday plans, just keep an eye to the radar. Things are going to be pretty active over the next 24 to 48 hours. 87 your high today, 78 as we head into Friday. There is a low end potential for severe weather as well. Wind and hail will be the primary threats. Then a break into storms on Saturday before we head back into an active pattern. Multiple rounds of storms possible as we head into early next week.